no. You said no, and they got upset, and then 2 weeks later, you're like, when are you going to beat the basement?
I don't recall.
Guys, she's a Gemini, and I am a Sagittarius. She is a big liar. No, it's technically just us. Whatever. I got a new burrito, guys, for the first time ever, and I don't know if I'll like it. But this lady got 6 hard tacos, and I got 3 soft tacos. And then wants to say, "Oh, I got more food than her." We got basically the same amount of food. What the heck, lady? I don't even know which is which, and I'm really scared to try my new burrito. You can put it here or something, I guess. But basically, we just came from a doctor's appointment, which my sister Melanie texted me about, saying, "What are you guys doing?" And I told her. Oh no! I said in the last video, don't go to Dunkin' Donuts lately because their coffee is terrible. I really strongly recommend you guys not to go. It's just bad. But you know, guys, I love my strawberry Taco Bell drink. Wild strawberry. Everyone needs to get it. Literally. I haven't gone fast food for dinner in a long time, and I remember why. It's not good for you. Meredith kept asking me for it, but I kept saying no. Yeah. But basically, I would literally eat chicken every single day because it's home. It's cooked at home. Like, I literally will eat chicken every day. Oh, God, good chicken? Dang. But I'm waiting to eat pierogies for Marie to come back. Because I really don't want to cook it, so I know she'll cook it. It's also really hot, so like I didn't want to really fry anything. I literally tried to convince everyone at home. I tried to convince everyone to grill stuff so that the house wouldn't get hot from the oven, but they don't listen to me. There would just literally be like burgers like on the stove. I don't know. Really? Really? But also, you might have really liked it because you were hungry. Oh. But you also seasoned it good. Yeah. When I did it, I didn't season it at all.
No, that was beyond me. We didn't season that.
No.
So that's why. Well, if they like Burger King, Impossible Whopper.
Like,
People, they say Burger King goes for Impossible Whopper.
yeah. I wish we got a garbage bag.
Burger for what?
Or garbage. We got like another bag for our garbage.
You have one on the bottom of my feet.
Really?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
On my camera. It's a plastic bag. I've seen it.
Oh, it might be in the bag. Because I brought it. Because I have garbage people.
Yes, you are.
I think I did actually. I did 3.
You've got 3 things.
I think I accidentally got something. Like, I think I accidentally ordered it by accident because I didn't realize what I was doing. They said that there's hot sauce in here. The Taco Bell people, they said there's red hot sauce in here. Which I really hope it's just mild sauce because that's the only sauce I can handle. This is also steak rather than
stop it up. The next light is Wawa, and they have those milkshakes.
Yeah, no, even Wawa, even Check has the for real milkshake. But Wawa also has soft serve ice cream.
Where?
Wawa.
Where?
It's like right next to Quick Check.
I know, but where is our soft serve ice cream?
No, they make it behind the like sandwiches and stuff. There's like the milkshake section. And when I got one. It was like a sundae. I got like a hot fudge sundae.
Was it good?
It was so good.
Oh my goodness, I
Yeah.
know.
And I thought Wawa would have. I thought Quick Check had what Wawa had. That's why I thought I wanted the milkshake, but it was terrible. So I was like, oh, I should have just went to Wawa. But I like Quick Check more than Wawa. Also, Quick Check was there first, and Wawa is literally like somehow like still part of Cranford, but not even in Cranford. So it makes zero sense. And it's an extra way. Like, it's so annoying going into that grocery store and literally looking for every kosher sign. How do you live like this? You literally have the option to like live on your own. I don't because I don't have enough money, but you have enough money. Did you see what Aunt Sarah wrote? She was like, oh, cancer, like, oh, sorry for everyone who's lost their life, and like, she made a Facebook post about cancer, and it was, and then she didn't even say anything about her mom. And I was just like, why are you posting about it? And like, not even saying names or like talking about it like your own real life. Like it was basically like her copying another person's post and posting it on her page and being like, oh, cancer this, cancer that, cancer destroys lives. I don't care. No, I don't know. Well, I would personally say this to her face, saying, why would you post about cancer as your mother is still a survivor of cancer and you're never there for her? She literally is never there for you. Your mother, literally her mother gave her her whole life. So why wouldn't she call a couple times? No, she doesn't. Not anymore. It's summertime and she hasn't called once. Really. But where's she been? Why is she going to no doctor's appointment? Well, why post on social media like you like care, but like she didn't even like. No, I said it to Meredith, and Meredith told me to shut up. But no, because I would literally call her right now and just be like, why'd you post that?
Just ignore it.
No, but the thing is, when I post things, she goes ahead and talks to Grandma and Lava, being like, why did she post that? Give me your drink. Give me your drink. Good smell. Nobody was there. Well, what are they gonna do? Arrest me? No, they're not. then